Today I'll be putting the doctor through some challenges. Let's see how well he knows his cars. Are you up for the challenge?
Sure, man.
You'll be blindfolded. Let's do it.
Okay, it's pretty low. Butterfly doors. Good. Nice and then low. Okay, 4 GT. That's a 4 GT. So, oh, stop. You know what? This might be strange, but it smells like a Mercedes. So this is the Mercedes SLR 72S Roadster. You know why?
Why?
Because it's the only one with the stick shift that has the ignition.
Good job.
Carbon fiber, a nice spoiler. So definitely a speedster. So Aston Martin Speedster.
In this challenge, you're going to be sitting inside the car.
Okay. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, then you start the car this way. McLaren Senna. Alright.
3 of 3.
Okay. Okay, Ferrari for sure. Competizioni.
Incorrect.
TDF.
Now it's for the last car.
Yeah.
I don't think you're going to get it right.
I will. Where's the door?
It's a tough one.
This has keys, man. You guys serious? I have no idea. And most likely this car's not in my collection. Sorry, Nissan, but you know, you got me.